So all you need to go to this website, myaifm.online for your voiceovers. And here I am going to test a script and play as an evidence, but this script has a message for you. So listen it till the end. You are going to learn something new today.
This video is not only about OpenAI.fm, it's about self-learning and becoming a better version of yourself in the age of AI. Tools will break, platforms will change, and errors will happen, but the people who win are the ones who know how to learn, adapt, and build for themselves. And trust me, you can. I'm showing this live demo, text in, audio out, just as proof that the system works. And you can try it for free at myaifm.online. But don't depend on any single tool. Today it's OpenAI.fm. Tomorrow, it will be something else. What really multiplies your output and productivity is learning how these tools work under the hood, so you become more demanding, more resilient, and more valuable in your niche or industry. For transparency, this public demo runs on my personal backend using a paid API, which is why there are limits. And that's exactly why I'm releasing a complete beginner-friendly tutorial in a day or two max in both English and Urdu Hindi, showing how you can run this locally on your own machine or on cloud with almost zero cost for personal use. If you believe in self-learning, resilience, and real growth, subscribe and turn the bell on. This channel is about upgrading yourself, not chasing tools. Thank you.